guys, we're back. Come on, I just forgot to do this after the last video. I'm an idiot.
But now we're back. Well, my brother's being an idiot right now. My brother's being an idiot right now.
Hey, no. Oh, no.
He's being an idiot right now.
Stop it. Shut up, bye-bye. Well, we're going to try to mess up my YouTube. Okay, guys,
Make sure you give this video a thumbs down.
Make sure you get this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit, that bell button. Make sure hit that so you don't miss any of my new videos. Okay?
Okay.
So let's go. And make sure you hit that like button too.
Make sure you also hit that thumbs down button.
Shut up, bud. Make sure
hit it for me. I'll give you $10 million.
He won't. He's lying.
I'll give you all my
He can't. He can't. He only has like 1 penny. He only has 1 penny and I have like 0. Mwahaha. So he has to give you guys. Okay, guys. If you do get a thumbs down, you only get 1 penny. You give a thumbs up, I might send you something.
Get your ass back in the back. Bye-bye.
I want to make a
God
song.
damn it.
I want to make a song.
Okay, yeah. See what this new owl was made from. Here we go, Miro. A powerful magic owl starts crossing the side. Miro got stuck halfway. This resulted in the powerful deadly energy sweeping through all time. Okay, guys, I just read it. Now, who's ready to go to space? First, let's do what this guy needs. Why do you want these ones? Thomas, sit down.
God damn it, Thomas. Get in your seat.
What?
Help him get in the seat.
Thomas. Okay, guys, gotta put the phone down. Come on. Follow me on Buffalo. Oh my God!
You need to settle down.
Okay.
Your ass is going to bed tonight. You know he was up? You know he was up? Scott Allen. You know he ain't been to bed?
Ain't been to bed?
We're going to get some pills for bedtime.
This is gonna start doing this here.
Call me X Stevo. This is from Artist.
Why? This guy, my brother's in love with rap so much. So I can start buying this brain owl. Let's buy one now. I know I got a Mars, but while I'm here, I'll just buy something. I'll buy the egg.
Sit down, Thomas.
Time to go back there. Now I'm going to go to...
You have your pain now. I already just Hey, that means I'm gonna go sing with you. Right? Do I, Mommy?
These are not yours. I feel better.
Oh, Mom, you just have my soul. Mom, no.
Everybody's mouth and run up the money. I don't have money. Thomas?
Hey, Mom, I still haven't lost my Pokemon. I still have them.
Yeah, mine is in my pocket.
Hey, brother, all you want to do is for a couple minutes if I can get yours.
No, I already saw them. Remember?
Brother, can I see yours one more time?
You didn't even get to see mine. Oh, I didn't know. I just put it down so you know you see this.
I wish you would quit, Scott.
You ain't gonna let me look at his Pokemon.
Goddamn.
Stop! Brother, he's calling you Scott. Scott. Mommy, Thomas keeps saying Scott. Scott.
Oh.
You know,